Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn from the Heart. This is Vaishali and today I am going to talk with you about properties of 3D shapes. In our previous video, we discussed about 2D shapes, its properties and its formulae. If you haven't watched that video yet, don't worry, I'll give a link of that video in the description box below. Watch this full video because all doubts regarding 3D shapes are going to clear here. And if you like the content of this video, don't forget to press on like button, share and subscribe my channel. Yes, please press on bell icon button also so that you can get notification of my next video. So let's start today's topic, that is properties of 3D shapes. So let's get started. Let's understand the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes where we find only two dimensions, just like length and breadth or base and height, like that. But 3D shapes means three-dimensional shape. Here we find three dimensions like length, breadth and height. Breadth means width also. So here we get three dimensions. That's why it is called three-dimensional shapes. So this is the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Now, what are the main properties of three-dimensional shape? There are main three things, that is faces, edges and vertices. Which are they? Faces, edges and vertices. So let's understand what is called faces, what is called edges and vertices. So here this box you can see, okay. So this whole flat portion, okay, this whole flat portion is called faces, okay. So flat portion of any shape, solid shape, is called faces. And where two faces join together, that line segment is called that is edges. Yes, exactly. So this is edges, okay. Here this face and this face is meeting together and forming an edge. So this is called edges. Next portion is vertices. What is called vertices? Where two or more edges meet together, that point, that corner is called vertices. See, this is corner. See, I am showing it. This is corner, okay. So this edge and here this edge is meeting together here and form one corner. That's why it is called vertices, okay. So singular it is vertex and plural that is vertices. So one vertex and more like this are vertices. So main three properties of 3D shape is what? Flat surface, which is called faces, where two faces meet, that portion, that line segment is called edges, and where two or more line segments meet together, it is called vertices. So this was about main 3D shapes property. So there are few examples of 3D shapes. Let's talk about that examples also. Which are they? Just like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. These are 3D shapes. Okay. So let's start our first shape, and our first shape is cube. So here on the screen you can see picture of cubes. Here cube one example also you can see dice. This since childhood, yes, since childhood you are playing with this dice. So which shape is this? This is cube shape. Which shape is this? Cube shape. So cube shape, why it is called cube shape? Because here all three dimensions of these shapes are equal, whether it is length, breadth and height. All three things are equal, and each face, here I am showing one more. Here I think this you can see. Don't think about this umbrella, okay. I am trying to show you only face. So this face, this shape is also cube shape. Okay, so this shape, it is square, actually face. So all faces of cube we find square in shape. Okay, and all dimensions are equal in length. So how many edges, how many faces and vertices we find in cube? So let's count it. Okay, so I'm counting. Okay, one more thing, same number of edges, vertices and faces we get in cuboid shape also. So let's count from the small shape, then we count it with big shape. Okay, so first this is face. Okay, what we are counting here, face. 1, okay, opposite side 2, 3, 4, here this is 5, 6. Okay, so 6, what is that, faces. Cube has 6 faces. Okay, then how many edges it has? It has edges, this edge. Okay, which edge is here, this edge. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that we have counted now here. Now this 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now here's this and this we already counted, 9, 10, and here 11 and 12. So 12 edges we find in the shape of cube and 8 vertices. 8 vertices, 1, this corner 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Okay, so same I'm telling you with this box also, because this is big box, so you can understand easily. As I told, number of edges, vertices and faces are equal in cube and cuboid. So this shape is not cube. Okay, this shape is not cube shape, this is cubical shape. This is cuboid. Okay, which shape it is, cuboid. Okay, so number of faces, edges and vertices are same, that's why I'm telling here. So how many faces? This is first face. Okay, 1, 2, 3, opposite here 4, okay, 5 and 6. How many faces are here? 6, same as cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 faces we find in cube and cuboid. Let's talk about edges. Edges, 1, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite side 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are 12 edges that we find equal in number as in cube and cuboid. Next, vertices. Vertices is what? Corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. These corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 vertices. Number of vertices, edges and faces are equal in cube and cuboid, as I told you. The difference is here only that cube, all faces of cube that are in square shape, okay, and all dimensions we find equal here. As you can see on the slide also, this diagram, I am enlarging it now little bit. See, this is cube, okay. Below you can see length, then width and then height. Okay, so these are 3 dimensions of cube and all faces are in square. Okay, so let's talk about cuboid. As I told you that cuboid also has same number of faces, edges and vertices. Only the difference is what? All faces of cuboid are in rectangle shape. Which shape? In rectangle shape. As you can see, this face rectangle shape. Okay, this face, that is also rectangle shape. This and all faces we find here in rectangle shapes. Okay, even this is also cuboid. I think you just burn it during Diwali time, right? This box you got. So this is also cuboid shape. Again, let's see. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Means cuboidal shape. In cuboid, we find three equal pairs of rectangle which are opposite to each other. Okay, so how it is opposite to each other? See, this face, it is rectangle shape of cuboid and its opposite this one. Okay, so this face and this face with equal in dimension, equal rectangle shape. This face and its opposite is this one. So these both rectangle face is equal in cuboid. Similarly with this and this. Okay, here length, breadth and height will not find equal, okay, as in cube. In cube we find all three dimensions equal, but not in cuboid. So many real life example we see in our nearby, that is brick. One you can see on your screen, another I have shown just now a box. Okay, even such boxes also, sweet boxes also, maybe you have seen. Okay, here is not sweet, but such boxes you have seen. This shape is also cuboid shape. Whenever we buy any new new pair of shoes, at that time shopkeeper gives us new box, okay, for our pair of shoes. That box shape is also we find in cuboid shape. I hope you understand difference between cube and cuboid and its properties also. So let's move forward to our next shape, and our next shape is, see which one, that is cone. Which shape it is? Cone shape. Here cone shape I can show you this one. Okay, and whenever we hear about cone, suddenly struck in our mind, what struck in our mind? Ice cream cone. Yummy, right? But now I don't have any ice cream cone. I can show only the picture which you can see on the slide. Okay, ice cream, enjoy it only with the picture now, and learn with this birthday cap. Okay, so this shape is cone. Which shape it is? Cone. So as we learn, and many people just argue with this, that cone has no edges, and they argue with faces also. But very confidently I am telling you here that cone has two faces. How many faces? Two faces. Which are they? This face here, this face, that is called curved face. One curved face. Which one? That one curved face we find in the cone, and one here open side, this is circular base. It is called base. Okay, flat surface. What we can say here? Flat surface. So two faces we can see in cone. Which are they? One curved surface and one flat surface. Okay, so this is about cone, about faces. Now let's talk about edges. At many places you can see that it is written 0 edges, but no, there is one edge. Which edge? That is curved edge. Which edge it is? Curved edge. So here this one, okay, this is curved edge, because this is in circular, means we can say flat face, and this is curved face. When this flat face and curved face meet together, here it formed a edge, an edge. Okay, curved edge. So one curved edge we can find in cone also, and one vertex, apex also we can say. Vertex, this is corner and this is called vertex of the cone. In short we can say cone contain two faces, one curved face, one flat face. Okay, flat surface, and one edge also. Which edge? Edge also. Which edge? That is curved edge, and one apex, that is vertex. Okay, so this was about cone. Example, just I told you that ice cream cone, this cap, and many more. Okay, let's talk about its dimensions. As you can see on the slide, I am trying to zoom it. Okay, yeah, here you can see the diagram of cone. Here one perpendicular line you can see, that is called height. What is called height? Okay, so I'm trying to write here, this is h. What it called is h, and this is r. Okay, that is this circular, this is circle. So circle always has a center. Okay, and from center to the this corner, that is called radius, you know all. And one this type of slant, it is called actually slant height. Here I am writing here L. See, you can see here L. Okay, L, maybe wait, I'm writing it properly. Yes, L. Okay, so L, it denoted as a slant height. Okay, means cone has three dimensions. Cone also defined with three dimensions, which are that height, radius, and slant height, which are the height, radius, and slant height. This was about cone. So let's move to our next shape, which is again very interesting, and that shape is wait a minute, yeah, that shape is what? Cylinder. So here you can see the shape of cylinder. Let's do it little small so that you can see it very properly. Yes, so cylinder, a cylinder shape, I can give you and show you this example. This is the shape of cylinder. Okay, cylindrical shape. Here we can say, here we do not find any vertex. Okay, no vertex we find in cylinder. So how many faces are here? Again the same issue and same discussion occurred, and few people are confused, but again I am telling here, cylinder has three faces. How many faces? Three faces. Which are they? This is curved face. This you can see, this whole, okay, this whole white color, this whole green color, this is curved face. Bottom it is flat surface, up bottom that is also flat surface. So here three faces we find in the shape of cylinder. One, it is curved surface, and two at the bottom and at the top, that is flat surface. So cylinder contain three surfaces. Okay, now talk about edges. Again you will find here zero edges, but no, there are two edges. Which are they? That is, one edge is this is one edge, this circular. Okay, why this is one edge? Because this curved surface and this base flat surface meet together and form this edge. This is called edge, right? And this edge is called curved edge. So one curved edge at the bottom and one curved edge we find at the top. So cylinder has two curved edges. Got it? Yes, here we do not find any vertices or any vertex. So this is about cylinder. We find many examples of cylinder, even I keep with me. This, you know, okay, this shape is also cylinder shape. Vicks bottle, right? So many bottles, even water bottle, this is also cylinder shape. Okay, so we get so many things, and in our real life example that we can take, that was about cylinder shape. Now let's move our next shape, and which is very interesting, and that shape is sphere. Okay, that shape is sphere. Here what is this? Ball, right? This shape is called sphere. Okay, don't confuse with circle and sphere. Circle is 2D shape, that is two-dimensional shape, and sphere, it is three-dimensional shape. This sphere has no edge and no vertex. Okay, sphere does not contain any edges and any vertex, but it contain one curved surface. What it contain? One curved surface. Even one small ball I am having, this is my daughter's ball. She loves to play with this ball. Okay, and this one again, big ball. So you know about it. Everyone played with this also, and now also they are playing. So since childhood you know about this sphere, about this ball specially, and we are learning now about sphere and its properties. So sphere, you can see on the screen. I'm trying to zoom it now. Give me a second. Yes, here on screen in the diagram of sphere, you can find one center, one thing is diameter, and third thing is radius. Center, which we find at the center of the circle. Okay, and from that center to the last end of the sphere, that portion is called radius, which always be in equal length from center to the next corner of the sphere, that is radius. And diameter, which start from the one end of the sphere to the up to the last end. Okay, that is diameter. There is a relation between radius and diameter, which is that radius is always half of the diameter, means d is equal to twice r. D is equal to 2 times of radius. So I hope you understand about this sphere also. Let's take a quick revision. So that, okay, examples as you can see on the slide, that is ball I told you. Okay, any ball, basketball, football. Okay, so this was about sphere. Let's take a small revision, quick revision, so that you can understand it very easily. As you can see here, I made this chart for you. Name of shape, you can see here, name of shape, name of faces, name of edges, and number of faces, number of edges, and number of vertices. Okay, so first shape is cube. You can see on the screen, cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, as it is written here. Okay, how many faces? It contains 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, as equal to the cuboid. Cuboid also contains same number of edges, faces, and vertices. It contains 6 faces, okay, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Next is cone. Cone contains, as I told you, 2 surfaces. Which 2 surfaces? One is curved surface, as I told you, one is curved surface, and one is flat surface, even we can say it base. Okay, here in cone it contains one edge, this curved one edge, and one it is apex, that is even we can say vertex. That was about cone. Cylinder, I told you here again, that is 3 faces, which are the curved face, one curved face, and 2 flat surfaces. Okay, this is flat surface, this is flat surface, and this is curved surface. So 3 faces it is found in cylinder shape, 2 edges, one curved edge at the bottom, another curved edge at the top. Okay, but no vertices, that's why it is written here 0. Okay, 0 vertices. Cylinder has 0 vertices. And last is about sphere. My big ball is fallen down, I'm taking small one. Sphere. Okay, sphere has only one curved surface, which is that curved surface. Okay, it doesn't contain any vertices and any edges. Okay, so this was about 3D shapes and its properties. I hope you like this session. I hope you like the content of today's topic. If you really like, if you find it very helpful, please share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this. And this is very basic thing that no one is going to tell you about these basic things, but these basic things always matter. It should be clear in your mind since childhood, so that you can solve and you can deal with big problems and big solution questions about 3D shapes. Sorry. So if you really like this content, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and press on bell icon button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.